I remove already, don't worry. All right, let's take a look at question number 1. This came out in Temasek Prelim paper. The perimeter of the figure is 24 pi cm. Find the area of the square. How do we do this? Find the area of the square. Okay? Right now, I have the perimeter as 24 pi. Hadi, good job. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have about a minute left. Okay, I give you a clue. You can aim to find the diameter first. Okay, aim to find the diameter first. Okay, I see quite a number of answers that are very, very similar actually. Yes, we do learn pi in primary school in circles. For this one, in paper 1, no calculator, okay? Only the last question, then we can use calculator, okay? So for now, don't worry. Okay, final 30 seconds. Find the diameter first. Okay, let's see. A rush. Okay. Alright, what happened, friends? What happened? Okay, we have about 15 seconds left. 15 seconds left. Let's take a look at the answer soon. Okay, the correct answer is 144. Actually, quite a number of people put 48 as well. Yeah, it seems like it. Okay, if you want to win our Mr. Beast chocolate, you should come in first place for our Kahoot. You will get the Mr. Beast chocolate plus a $10 popular voucher. Alright, so if you want to join now, is a good time to quickly join in. The game pin is at 356856. Okay, so let's take a look at why the answer is 144 cm square. Again, this appeared in the Temasek Prelim paper in 2023. Okay? If you're not a student and you win, we will still mail you, no problem. Alright? We will mail the chocolates to them. So for the person who wins, just give us a screenshot of your podium and send us your address. We will mail it to you, okay? We have actually mailed out all the past winners their vouchers as well as some of their chocolates as well, okay? So let's take a look at the answer here. Now, if they give you the perimeter of the figure in terms of pi, you just have to try to look for the perimeter again, even if you don't have the diameter. So you know that the perimeter is made up of the 4 semicircle arcs. Okay, and each semicircle arc is calculated by half pi d, right? So half pi d multiplied by 4, that will give us 2 pi d. Okay, so 2 pi d is the same as 24 pi. Got it? Okay, there's no gradient going on here, so not to worry about that. Alright, one more time. 2 pi d is the same as 24 pi. So if you divide by 2 pi on both sides, to just find diameter, that will give you 12. Therefore, the area of the square is 12, which is the diameter, times 12, okay? Because 12 is also the length of the square, okay? So 12 times 12 to give us 144 cm square, okay? So once again, this came out in the 2023 Temasek Prelim paper 1, alright? Okay, for those of you who are still here, if you found some learning points in the first question, can you please help me spam the like button and share this live with all your friends and family and followers and following everybody that you know, okay? Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. And by the way, we are down to our final, after today, final 2 live classes before the PSLE. Very scary, right? Very scary, right? Okay. Alright, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Coach Shahira. If you would like to get your hands on our free worksheet and solutions, we post the solutions after our live classes every week. You can get them on our Telegram channel. The link is right here. You can go to Telegram and search for MasterMaths PSLE. Okay? It's okay, did I? Thank you so much for sharing. I appreciate it a lot, actually. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Shazana. Thank you. Alright, so let's see. Everybody good here? We are down to our final, after today, 2 more live classes before the PSLE. How are we feeling about it? Can you just do me a quick favor and type in the chat? How do we feel about PSLE coming up soon? In fact, your listening compre is this week, right? This Friday, if I'm not wrong, right? How are we feeling about that? You're just eyeing on this chocolate? Okay, let's see. Excited? Ooh, extremely scared. Yeah. I feel you guys. I was very scared when I was taking the PSLE as well. In fact, I've always been scared for every exam. It's very common. Oh, Risky, thank you so much for saying that. I'm going to miss you guys too. Thanks a lot for saying that. Heart for you, okay? Okay, let's continue to question number 2, shall we? Thanks a lot for answering. I'm reading your comments, actually. Thanks a lot for answering. Let's continue to question number 2 here. This is a past PSLE question. Okay. A shelf can be packed from end to end with 40 large or 50 small books. You already have 3 large and 26 small books right now. How many more large books can you pack at most? At most. Shazana will miss you too. And your very chill position every time you sit for class. In your couch, I think. Or sometimes on your bed. Yes, we will do live again next week. On Tuesday at 7:30 p.m, okay? Shazana, did I expose you? Oh, what happened? Okay, okay. So far, so good. Your Kahoot broke. What happened? Who broke your Kahoot? Arash, you want to cook yourself how many times? Okay, you have slightly less than 2 minutes left. Let's take a look. No, I don't give Robux to students. What are you talking about? What is Robux? Roblox money, is it? I don't play Roblox also. Risky, you are close. You are very close. Kira also, you are very close. Don't press reconnect, okay? Don't press reconnect. It will auto reconnect back. Okay? Okay, let's see. Prime Rin, you did this before. Are you able to do it again? Oh no, you clicked the wrong thing. Oh no, it's okay. For Kahoot, you cannot check and undo your corrections or your mistakes, right? But in the exam, you can, okay? So don't worry. Hadi, you will be pleased to see the answer later. Our secondary math classes for live sessions, it's on Wednesdays at 7:30 p.m, okay? For those of you asking. Alright. The one you did was in fractions. Oh. Oh yes, I know Coach Irfan. I work very closely with him. Shura, you are Coach Irfan's student, I see. Oh, math isn't demure. Oh, there are 40 of you who got this right. And actually some more on the chat. So let's take a look at why the answer is 16, not 11 like most of you got, okay? On the chat, there were quite a number who got 11. And Johnny, congratulations. Oh, Danya, I see your name here. Keep it up, Danya. Okay, we got a very famous person, Dwayne The Rock Johnson, coming in second. Okay, let's take a look at why the answer is 16, okay? For us to find more large books, we will want to convert all the small books that we have into large books first. Okay, so that we can find in terms of large books. So if I know 50 small books is equal to 40 large, because the shelf can either fit 40 large or 50 small, so we can write our first equation as 50 small equals to 40 large. Then 1 small will be, divide by 50 on both sides, 4 over 5 large, which means 0.8 of a large book. Okay, so that means 26 small books are multiplied by 26 on the side. I will take 26 times 8 first to give me 208, and then I put 1 decimal place where it originally belongs to give it 20.8 as the answer, right? So 26 small is the same as 20.8 large books. Okay, yes, this is P6 math for those asking. So 20.8 large books is actually rounded up to 21 because we cannot have 0.8 of a large book, right? So that's 21 large books, and therefore the maximum that we can fit in right now will be originally 40. We already put 3 in, and 26 small is almost the same as 21 large. So we subtract them, we will get 16 as our answer. Okay? We will get 16 as our answer. Some of you are saying that you are in P5 and you've done this before. That's wonderful. This actually appeared in PSLE. A similar question appeared in PSLE as well. Okay? Alright, how are we feeling about this question? So far so good? This is question number 2. If you would like to watch our previous live classes for your last minute revision, you can head on to our YouTube channel at MasterMathsTV to catch up on the live classes, okay? Thank you, Sophia. Thank you. Okay, everyone good? So far so good, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna enlarge this one more time for you guys to see, and then we'll move on to question number 3, okay? Everybody good so far? For those of you who are still here, thank you very much for spending your Tuesdays evenings with me. I hope that I am giving you some good value in your revision. Could you kindly help me spam the like button so that we can share this with more people? Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone. And please hang in there, okay? The end is near. The end is near. Hang in there, okay? This live lesson will end at 8:15, and then following that, we will have the science live class. Okay? The science live class is immediately after. Alright. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 3. Thank you so much for all your likes. Okay, question number 3 here. Double points. Okay, MCQ again. This appeared in the ACS Prelim 2024. Thank you so much for all your likes. We can definitely convert the large back to small, but later, because they asked for at most large for just now's question, because they asked for at most large, we want to reconvert them. Okay? Khairun, I hope I've answered your question. Alright, so I hope you are able to see the question here. We are told to express C as a percentage of the area of D, okay? So, look at the figure and try to come up with some relationship between the parts until you get an answer, okay? Hadi, I think your wording might not be right, but your idea is correct. You want to try to word it again? No problem, Khairun. Anytime. Thank you for liking the live, guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Shura. All the best for your O-levels coming up. Nika, you got it. Good job. Kira, you try again, okay? Not quite. Thank you, Alex. Oh yes, goats. Is that goats? Ryan, nice one. The rest of you have a little bit over a minute left. Arash, good job. Mika, you got it. Nice one. Some of you very funny, no? A lot of Mikas online today, and all the Mikas seems to be getting it right. Yeah. Tanishka, good job. Okay, the correct answer is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is the one in yellow at 30%. And quite a number of you have gotten it right. If you got it right, can you spam the like button, please? It's 30%. Good job to those of you who got it right. Thank you, Shura, once again. Okay, so how did we get 30%? Why 30, not 20? A lot of people got 20 instead. Okay, the answer is 30. Muhammad, you're so funny. The answer is 30. Again, Johnny is Johnny is right up top. We've got Danya coming in third. Good job, Danya. Keep it up. Science Thursday, 6:45. Okay, very funny names you got here. Alright, let's take a look at the solution, okay? Y is the answer 30%. Now, if you take a look at the diagram, I'm going to zoom it in for you. You'll realize that B and C actually take up half of the figure. And therefore, A, D, and E will take up the other half. So what we want to do is to fill in our ratios and make the totals for both groups the same, because it's half of the figure, okay? So if C is 20%, which means 1/5 of B, B will get 5 units, C will get 1 unit, then half of the rectangle is 6 units. Similarly, A, D, E, 3:5:1, total 9. We make them into 18 units, okay? Because we want to make half of the rectangles the same. This is a little bit like a repeated identity here, okay? Or if you think of them as totals to give you half of the rectangle, then it's constant totals, which is half of the rectangle, all right? So from here, you make half of the rectangles the same, which is 18, and you will get all the units that you need. And if you want C versus D, that's 3 out of 10, which will give you 30%. And that is how we got the answer as 30%, okay? How I know B and C is half of the figure is because B and C take up the triangle that is highlighted here. And this triangle that is highlighted is half of the rectangle because the base is length of rectangle, the height is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay? So B and C is a triangle enclosed within a rectangle. The area will automatically be half of it. Alright? Got it? Did I? Good job. Okay. That is why we make half of the rectangles the same, and therefore we will get all the units that we need, which is C versus D, 3 out of 10, 30%. Okay? Alright. Science is at 8:15, okay guys? Science is at 8:15. Ira, I know, right? Me too. Okay, let's continue with the next question. The fourth question out of 5 of them, okay? The game pin is 356856. There is one more double points question. If you are interested to join, you can join us right now, okay? 356856. Okay, let's see the next one. Are you in yet? Okay. Okay, let's move on. Let's go on to the next question, number 4. Okay, number 4. Okay, question number 4 here. 2018 PSLE question. Oh, 𝐏𝐶𝐫𝐢𝐿. Okay, okay. Okay, let's see. This one is also pretty straightforward. Okay, pretty straightforward. Let's see, are we able to get it? This one is in P6 if you're in, this one is speed, right? Learned in P6. If you're in P5 and you don't understand the speed question, it's perfectly okay, right? Don't worry. Oh! Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm going to end this, okay? I'm so sorry. Let me just skip this one. Sorry. My bad. It's supposed to say 4000. It's supposed to say 4000. I'm so sorry, okay? It's supposed to say 4000. I show you. It's supposed to say 4000. I'm sorry. For those of you who got 4000, you got it. Very good, very good. Please give me some face, okay? It's supposed to say 4000. So I show you a quick one, okay? Show you a quick one. Okay, so question number 4, right? The reason why it's 4000, it's supposed to say 4000, okay? I'm so sorry. Thank you very much. Now, so the reason why it's 4000 here, the difference in the distance, 4/5 was what Leon completed, but they've already completed the whole thing. So, they've already completed the whole thing. So, that means the difference between their distance is only 1/5 of the race, right? And this 1/5 is taken by 40 meters per minute times 20 minutes because Dave is 40 meters per minute faster than Leon, okay? So when we take 40 meters per minute times 20 minutes, we'll get 800 meters. And this is only 1/5 of the race. We want to find 5 out of 5 of the race, okay? So the answer here is 4000 meters, all right? Okay. Hey, Hadi, that's not nice. And I've heard so many things about you, you know, Hadi. Okay, so guys, the answer is 4000 meters. Okay? All right, everybody good here? Now, the last question is not going to be a question that will give you points. It will be an open-ended question that we can discuss about. Okay? So let's take a look at this last question here. The last question that we can discuss on. The height of ADC given to us is thrice the height of ABC. The shaded area is 450 cm square. Find the length of AC. Do you guys know how to solve this? There is no time limit here. It's completely open for discussion. Okay? So, how do we solve this question? Anybody knows how to solve this question? How do we solve this question? Any ideas? Can you type it in the chat, please? How do we solve this question? We are given the shaded area, but we are asked to find the length of AC. How do we do that? Shazana, you got it. Good job. Okay, let's see. Some of you have gotten the correct answer. Good job. There is no need to answer here. Okay, this is just open for discussion. No need to answer. All right, open for discussion. So, what do we do here? Anybody wants to type in the solutions? What do we do to get the answer for the length of AC? Okay, some of you are saying that 2 units is 450. You are right. Everybody able to see why 2 units is 450? Okay, so the first point that you have to remember is that the base of ABC and the base of the bigger triangle ADC is the same. So if the base is the same, the ratio of the heights will be equivalent to the ratio of the areas. Okay, this is primary 6 math. Alright, P6 math. Okay, so that means the big triangle will get 3 units. The white one, the small one, will get 1 unit. So that means the shaded one is 2 units, which means we can focus on the white one, which is 1 unit, 450 divided by 2 to give us 225. But then, with the area here, how do we find the length of AC? If the area is 225, how to find the length of AC? How do we find the length of AC? There is a reason why there is an angle there, okay? How do we find the length of AC? For those of you who are getting 15, you are very close. The answer is not 15. Kira, you got it. Use this angle to help you here, 45 degrees. Okay, use the angle 45 degrees to help you. Fees, you got that. Okay, the ratio is indeed 3:1. 3:1. So the difference is 2 units. You guys are getting it? 2 units. So if the ratio is 2 units for 50, 1 unit will be 225. But from 225, how to get the length of AC? Let's see. Okay, Charlotte got it. A lot of you are getting it. 30, yes, 30 is correct. Good job. Are we able to get 30? Okay, let me take a look at, let's take a look at why the answer is 30. Okay, most of you are getting it. Good job. How to get 30? Very simple. So we all know that the answer, or rather the area of ABC is 225, right? We were just discussing that. Okay, because they have a common base, therefore the ratio of their areas is equivalent to the ratio of the heights. So the small one to the big one is 1:3. The difference is 2 units, which is 450, the shaded part. So that means the white one is 225. But from 225, here's where the angle 45 degrees come in, okay? I am going to rearrange to the ABC and make it 4 times to form a square, okay? Because ABC is actually an isosceles triangle with each angle being 45. So if I put 2 together, I will get 90 degrees, 90, 90, and 90. And here I will get 4 sides of AC. Hence, I will get a square. If I put 4 of the white ones together, I will get a square. And if I want to find the length of the square, I just have to take the square root of 4 of them together. Okay? 4 of them together. So, the area of the square is 225 times 4, which is 900. Then, from here, I can find the length, which is 30. Got it? Okay? When you put 2 together, you will form this, AC will only be the diagonal inside. But you want AC to be outside. Okay? If you put 2 together, you form a square where AC is the line inside. You want AC to be the line outside. So that when you take square root, you'll get the length outside. Shazana, okay? Alright. Yes, I can repeat this one more time. Don't worry. One more time, okay? One more time, huh? Okay. So if I were to find AC, I already know the area is 225. I want to find AC, which is the length inside here. I am going to take AC, flip it such that AC is the outside right now, and put 4 of them together to form a square. Okay, why is this a square? We have ABC with B being the 90 degrees, because this is isosceles. 45, 45, inside here will be 90 degrees. Okay, so 90, 90, 90, 90 in all the 4 corners in the middle. And the ACs will be all the outside lines. Okay? And this forms a big square that is made up of 4 times of this triangle ABC. Okay? So once we have this, we can just multiply 225 by 4 to find the area inside. And once you have the area inside, you can take square root to find the length of the square. Okay? Square root the area to find the length. Now, if you were to use 2 triangles, let me just quickly show you the podium first. Okay, and actually this is the code that I want to share with you, but hang on a minute. Let me show you why. Okay, this is the code that I wanted to share with you. Let me share that with you in a second. The reason why we cannot have two triangles is because if we were to have just two, right, guys? If I were to have just two, this is what I will get, and the AC will remain inside. And if I take the square root, I will only get this one, AB, not AC. That is why I cannot have two triangles. Understand? Okay? Because AC will be the diagonal. I want AC to be outside so that when I take square root, I can find the length, which is AC. If I put 2 only, I will get AB instead. Got it? Okay? Clear so far? Alright. Therefore, the length of AC would be square root 900 to give us 30. So the answer is 30 cm. This came out in a school paper, and that was asked by a student. I didn't quite catch which school it was, but this came out in a school paper that was asked to us by a student. So I thought it was quite interesting to share with you this question here. Okay, so it's a little bit about putting more of ABC together to form a square, and then taking square root to find the length. All right. And so, as I was saying, I wanted to share with you this quote before you go for your PSLE listening compre this Friday, right? Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. So for those of you who are still not doing well for math, please don't think that it's the end. Just keep working hard. Keep going on, okay? Because you still have time, all right? We are all here rooting for you, and I hope that you guys are also rooting for yourself and putting in the effort that needs to be put in, okay? With that, let's take a look at our podium. We have, in third place, Science Thursday, 6:45. In second place, Dwayne Johnson. And in first place, we have Johnny. Congratulations to Johnny. Congratulations, everyone. We will have yet another Kahoot next week. Same time, same day. I would see you guys again next week, okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. If not, I will see you guys again next week. Today, there will be a science live class after this session. So I'm going to stay behind for about 3 more minutes before I answer some of your questions. Do you have any questions? If not, thank you so much for sharing your time with us this evening. I will see you guys again next week, okay? Thank you, everyone. The topics for next week will again be a mashup of everything that you have learned so far, okay? The science live class will be on the same TikTok account, so you can just stay on there, okay? The live class solutions, yes, can be found on our Telegram channel indeed. It can be found on our Telegram channel at MasterMaths PSLE, okay? Bye, Sai. Bye-bye. Bye, 𝐏𝐿𝐴. Have a nice day, everyone. Good night. All the best for your listening compre coming up soon. Bye. Science is coming up in about 2 minutes' time, okay? Bye, Tanishka. Thank you for staying. Yes, Science will be here on TikTok as well. For our friends on Instagram, Science will be on the Brainy Mo Science Instagram channel, okay? Can, no problem. Definitely, Sha. I will keep it in mind. Bye, Ria. See you. Bye, everyone. Good night. Have a great and pleasant week ahead. All the best for your listening compre, okay? All the best for your listening compre. I'll see you guys again next week, okay? Yeah, I didn't, Mika. I forgot about it. I'm sorry. Okay, bye everyone. Coach is probably waiting for you guys. So let's hop on over to science, okay? Bye, good night, take care. Please come back on to our Telegram, not Telegram, TikTok channel for our science live class, okay? Bye. Good night. Bye.